but nothing is happening. You are doing everything that no one tells you.
Alright then, let's be real. You have been scripting, visualizing, affirming like crazy. But nothing is happening. You are doing everything that law of attraction guru say, but why is it taking so long? Most people struggle with manifestation, not because it doesn't work, but they're missing on something really, really huge. And I'm about to spill a secret. So today I'm about to spell the secret that no one tells you. So stay with me till the end because skipping even one part means staying stuck where you are. So there are 3 common mistakes that are blocking you from manifestation. Mistake number 1, manifestation from desperation. So now imagine you're ordering a pizza and instead of chilling, you just keep calling them after every 5 minutes asking when it is coming, when it is coming. And that's exactly how people treat manifestation. Remember, the more you obsess over when and how it will come, the more you will push it away. Because desperation blocks your manifestation forever. Mistake number 2. Your words literally shape your reality. If you keep saying, I don't have this, I wish I had that, the universe only hears lack and gives you more of it. Because your thoughts is equals to your reality. Mistake number 3. Controlling how and when it comes. Manifestation work on divine timing, not on your timing. It's literally like planting a seed. You don't dig it up every day to see if it's growing. You trust the process, right? Because surrender is the key to receiving. And the secret ingredient? Magnetic detachment. Okay, so what's the missing piece? The one thing that no one tells you? So, magnetic detachment is when you set your intentions and then let it go. You don't chase, you don't beg, you simply act as if it's already done. So now let's move on to the 3-step formula. So there are 3 steps to manifest faster. Step 1. Set it and forget it. Write it, decide it and move on. Step 2. Align your actions. Behave as if you already have it. Step 3. Detach and trust. Don't overthink, just let it flow. Now here's a challenge. Try this for 3 days. Act like your dream life is already here and then watch what happens. And when something amazing happens, because trust me, it will, come back and tell me in the comment section below. I'll be waiting.